Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 13th of September 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank profit. Today overall market was consolidated, but we managed few good PPs today. Let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, as I mentioned on Friday about this pattern, bearish flag pattern. If you haven't seen my video, the link is given in the video description. So technically we were short as soon as the market opened. We banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the support level, and we banked beautiful pips, and now we are long here. Let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis, how I analyze. And if you look at the, let me make it slightly bigger. If you look at, this is the analysis I did at the market open, and explain to my trader look for this breakout, but we were technically short on from Friday, and we were short from here. So but as you can see here, this was a pretty straightforward breakout, a short trade here as soon as the price hit to the first fib channel, which is the at this level. Explain to my trader, bank beautiful pips on EURUSD. So at the London morning session, as always, after once the target hit, look for another pullback. So we have another small pullback here, and as soon as the price about to develop a double bottom, explain to trader it's time to bank some pips or move your stop loss at the break even. At the New York session, as you can see here, explain to trader, as always, first priority would be the pullback short at this level. As you can see, we haven't seen any red candle, and the price nicely broken the previous recent high. As I explained here in analysis, after the breakout, the safest trade would be the pullback long. Here we had a pullback long and bank few pippies as soon as the price hit, and some of the traders are still holding long, and good luck. As you can see here, the target would be the 100 200 EMA. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we were short, as you can see here, from last week when the price could not maintain this level. So we were short and banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit level. You can see here in 4 hour price respected many times, and we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards we were long here, and let me explain to you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market in intraday. And if you look at here, this is the analysis I did at the after the market open. Explain to my trader we have very strong bearish momentum at that time, so we had a beautiful breakout short trade as soon as the price hit to the profit target and in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit and look for another pattern. So afterwards price reverse and develop another pattern. As you can see, as always, this is the recent high is broken. After the breakout, price nicely developed pullback, but I explained to my trader look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Explain to trader it's time to bank some few pippies. And then at the New York session, as you can see here, price revert, develop another symmetric triangle pattern, which price nicely broken and bank few more pippies on pound dollar. As you can see in 4 hour, the price nicely respected. We have a bullish engulfing candle, but right now this candle you can see is sort of like a spinning top. We'll let you know tomorrow. But if you look at the dollar CAD, we had a very beautiful trades on dollar CAD too. If you look at here, dollar CAD, we were long. As you can see here, this was the last week bullish engulfing candle. And let me share with you how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the dollar CAD, as explained to my trader, because last week we were long here, so explained to my trader based on the momentum. First priority would be the pullback long at this level. As you can see, we had a two beautiful pullback, and explain to my trader look for this level. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the previous level. Explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. At the New York session, as you can see here, price developed a sideways market. This is basically wants to be bank some profit. Even in the New York session, we have a sideways market. As you can see, based on the analysis explained to trader, price developed a double top at the resistance level, and price developed bearish engulfing candle, and that was the beautiful breakout short trade, and the target was the 100 EMA, which price nicely hit. And explain to my trader, every time, as long as the momentum is bearish, all the pullback just keep banking pips. So we had such a beautiful short trades on dollar-CAD bank, beautiful pips. As you can see, today was Monday. We haven't seen any high impact news, but still we managed beautiful PPs on EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar-CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analyses. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time. Once you develop your trading skill in this virtual platform and show us a consistency, I'm pretty sure I can help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders and train with the live market through live intraday analysis, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional trader can show you how you can be a successful trader through our virtual trading platform. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.